Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'll show you how to assign numbers to new members in your Calilio workspace. Assigning numbers helps your team manage calls and messages efficiently. Each member can have their own number or share one with others, depending on your team's workflow. Here's how to assign numbers to your team members. First, click on Settings from your dashboard. After that, click on Members. Once on this interface, find the member you want to assign a number to and click on the three dots beside their name. Then, click on Assign Number. After that, click on this rectangular box and select the number from the options. After that, click on Done. And that's it. You now successfully assigned the number to your new team member, Alex. Remember, you can assign the same number to multiple members or assign multiple numbers to one member, depending on your needs. This flexibility allows smooth communication across your entire team. For any assistance or further customization, you can reach out to Calilio's 24/7 support team through live chat. Thanks for watching.